Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Siri on iPhone 16. To enable Siri, go to Settings, then go to Siri, then go to Talk to Siri, and now make sure that either Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri is enabled, or press side button for Siri. I'm gonna enable just the press side button for Siri, and from now on, whenever I press and hold on the side button, it will open Siri. So let's, for example, ask it about the weather. What's the weather in Kraków?
It's currently clear and 21 degrees in Krakow, Poland.
And it gives me the answer right away. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.